In this video, I'll demonstrate how I made replacement cockpit trim that finishes the coaming cubbies in my sailboat. The original trim was made from teak. Unfortunately, they are badly cracked or broken and need to be replaced. Here you can see the thin edge and overall profile I'll need to reproduce. The original teak trim was cut out of a blank made from 8 pieces of wood so that no end grain is exposed around the perimeter. Although I may make wooden replacements in the future, for now I'm going to use maintenance-free cellular PVC. To cut the trim profile, a router table is the ideal tool for this project. First, I'll need to make accurate templates to pattern the shape. I'll need to make 3 pieces, one to pattern the inner profile, one to fit the first template, and another to pattern the outer profile. I'm making the templates from medium density fiberboard, or MDF. To start, I rip the MDF to match the template width. The template patterns are glued to the MDF. My scroll saw is used to rough cut the patterns. On this piece, I'm using a straight bit to smooth the inside edges. A sanding drum on my drill press is used to smooth and fine-tune the templates. The first template is screwed to the PVC blank to mark the interior profile. The bulk material is cut away with a jigsaw. With the template reattached, a flush trim bit is used to accurately cut the inside profile. The bearing on the bit rides against the template. The second template fits tightly into the piece, so the outer profile can be accurately cut in the same way. The trim profile is looking good. Next, the rabbet detail needs to be added. I'll be using this large rabbet bit. The width of the rabbet is controlled by the size of the roller bearings installed on the bit. To ease the rabbet cut with the router, I'll first use a dado blade on my radial arm saw to remove the bulk of material. I started with a larger bearing on the first pass so I wouldn't remove too much material at once. A smaller bearing was then installed to achieve the final rabbet dimension. Finally, a small roundover bit is used to ease the inner and outer trim profiles. And that's how I made these replacement trim pieces. Thanks for watching.